Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Pink Perler Beads is probably one of the most versatile and fun craft supplies available, offering endless possibilities for creativity and artistic expression, making them a fantastic choice for crafters of all ages and skill levels looking to bring their colorful ideas to life through a unique and engaging medium that allows for the creation of intricate designs, playful characters, and functional items alike. Number 5. Perler Bead Sand Pink Fuse Beads, 6000 PCS. Unleash your creativity with this pack of 6,000 vibrant sand pink fuse beads. Perfect for a wide range of craft projects. This is a fantastic activity for kids and adults to enjoy together. Add a beautiful splash of color to your creations. Whether you follow a pattern or invent your own, these pink beads will enhance any perler project. Once your design is complete, remember to use ironing paper and a pegboard to make your creation permanent. These high-quality fuse beads measure approximately 5 mm and are suitable for crafters aged 6 and up. What we like? This offers a generous 6,000 beads in a lovely sand pink shade. If you're looking for a bulk supply for a family craft session or a large project, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for those who enjoy vibrant colors and want plenty of beads to work with. What people say? The beads are vibrant and a beautiful shade of pink, perfect for creating various designs. Easy to fuse together with an iron, creating smooth and solid pieces. Good variety of shades of pink included in the pack, allowing for creative projects. Number 4. 24,000 Mini Fuse Beads Kit, 48 colors. Discover a world of vibrant color with our 24,000 Mini Fuse Bead Kit. It includes 48 stunning shades, perfect for bringing your pixel art visions to life. This complete set comes with everything you need to get started, including multiple pegboards and 2 sturdy metal tweezers for precise crafting. Craft with confidence thanks to our high-quality, non-toxic beads. Their consistent size and even fusing ensure smooth, detailed results every time. Achieve incredible detail and sharp edges, ideal for creating portraits, anime characters, and intricate pixel art. The smaller bead size offers 4 times the resolution of standard beads. Looking for a thoughtful and engaging gift? This kit is perfect for creative individuals aged 10 and up, offering hours of screen-free, meditative fun. It comes in a gift-ready box. We know you love black and white. That's why we've included extra bags of these essential colors, so you never run out during your creative sessions. What we like? This is an all-in-one kit with a massive 24,000 beads in 48 colors, plus pegboards and tweezers. If you're serious about pixel art, anime characters, or detailed candy designs, this kit provides the resolution and variety you need. It's ideal for crafters aged 10 and up who want to dive into intricate projects. What people say? The beads are a vibrant pink, perfect for creating eye-catching designs. Easy to fuse together with an iron, creating smooth and durable crafts. A generous amount of beads in the package, ensuring you have enough for multiple projects. Number 3. Perler Solid Top Cap Beads, Cotton Candy Pink. Discover the innovative Perler Solid Top Cap Beads in a delightful cotton candy pink. This pack contains 750 beads, perfect for your next crafting project. Elevate your creations with our new solid top cap ironing beads. You only need to iron one side, saving you time and effort. These fuse beads are ideal for kids aged 12 and up, offering a fun way to express their creativity. Let their imagination run wild with unique designs. It's an easy craft activity that helps children showcase their artistic talents. The process is simple and engaging for young crafters. Please note that these cap fuse beads are intended for ages 12 and up. All ironing should be handled by an adult to ensure safety. What we like? Featuring a unique solid top cap design, this option only requires ironing on one side. If you're looking for a faster and potentially easier ironing process, especially for younger crafters, ages 12 plus with adult supervision for ironing, this is a great pick. It allows for more time creating and less time on finishing. What people say? The beads are a vibrant pink color, perfect for creating eye-catching designs. These perler beads fuse together smoothly, resulting in professional-looking crafts. The variety of pink shades included allows for subtle color blending and detailed artwork. Number 2. 24,000 Mini Fuse Beads Kit, 48 pastel colors. Discover the joy of crafting with our extensive Mini Fuse Beads Kit. It provides everything you need to start creating stunning bead art, from simple designs to intricate characters. These tiny 2.6mm beads come in 48 vibrant pastel colors, perfect for crafting detailed pixel art and charming keychains. They are also compatible with your existing bead collections. This all-inclusive kit features 24,000 mini beads, tweezers, ironing sheets, and various pegboards. You'll have all the essential tools to bring your artistic visions to life. Looking for a unique gift? This kit is ideal for aspiring artists aged 10 and up, making it a fantastic present for birthdays or holidays. Create personalized gifts for loved ones. We are confident you'll love this crafting set. If you encounter any issues, our customer service team is ready to assist you and ensure your satisfaction. What we like? This kit boasts 48 vivid pastel colors in mini 2.6mm beads, perfect for creating highly detailed pixel art. If you love softer color palettes and want to craft exquisite images for keychains or gifts, this is the set for you. It's designed for teens and adults, ages 10+, who appreciate fine detail. What people say? The beads are a vibrant pink color, perfect for creating eye-catching designs. These perler beads fuse together smoothly, making it easy to create solid, well-formed crafts. The consistency of the bead size ensures uniform projects and professional-looking results. Number 1. Perler Mini Fuse Beads, Light Pink. Discover the magic of crafting with Perler Mini Fuse Beads. This pack contains 2,000 beads in a beautiful light pink shade, perfect for bringing your creative visions to life. Add these versatile beads to a multitude of projects for a vibrant and engaging look. They are ideal for creating intricate patterns and detailed designs. These beads offer a delightful crafting experience for both children and adults. It's a wonderful way to spend quality time and create something unique. They are designed to work seamlessly with mini bead pegboards and ironing paper. Get ready to craft with ease and precision. This set is recommended for crafters aged 12 and up. Unleash your creativity and explore the endless possibilities with these delightful beads. What we like? With 2,000 light pink mini beads, this option is great for adding a specific color to detailed projects. If you're looking to create intricate patterns or need a specific shade of pink for your design, this is a good choice. It's suitable for ages 12 and up who enjoy making detailed crafts. What people say? The beads are a vibrant pink and perfect for creating various designs. Easy to fuse together with an iron, creating smooth and durable crafts. Good variety of shades of pink included in the pack. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.